Nga ana kalabot sa point nga gin-explore ta ba na production sang cheese? Ano ang naging storya behind sini?
Well, actually, isang mga more than a month ago, Christina and her husband came over sa amon. We had a meeting because Christina is an expert in making high quality cheese, high value, high end. So I saw the opportunity that this will also help our farmers who are producing milk here. Because at the present time, they don't know where to sell. There's no predictability when it comes to their product. So with this technology that Christina is sharing with us, we will be able to predict at least how many farmers we're going to service, how many gallons a day we're going to produce, based on the cheese that we're going to make. That's why we're very glad that Christina is willing to share her knowledge about making cheese for the Filipino. Not only ordinary cheese, but high quality cheese. No? So,
Sir, basically, the main ingredients are from our farmers in Canlaon.
Canlaon and maybe in other areas, those who grows cows and carabao, and maybe later on even goats. So we could really get the whole value of their product, no? From this value adding. We're doing the value adding, so we could buy high from them, a little bit higher than what is the present buying. So the farmers will really benefit from this technology.
At present situation, there's so much production of milk, but they don't know where to market this milk. So that's why we're trying to convert it into
You
something.
understand that milk is easily spoiled, no? So if you process it into cheese, it will last longer in terms of...
Nag-English naman tagulpi, sir. Halin sa Tagalog. Sige. Ma'am, what's the process?
Okay, so we started making, with my team here, we started making cheese yesterday. They've not made cheese before, so very exciting for them to start.
What kind of cheese are we preparing?
Okay, so we started yesterday preparing cream cheese and also halloumi cheese.
Halloumi.
So making the cream cheese is a 3-day process.
3 days.
So yes, when you go to the supermarket, you see it in boxes and blocks. But to actually have artisanal homemade cheese, it will actually take us 3 days to make. The halloumi will have taken us 2 days. So yesterday we created curd for both products. We had to leave the cream cheese overnight to curd because it is a very slow setting cheese, whereas the halloumi are faster set. So yesterday we moulded them into moulds. Would you like to get one of the moulds from underneath, Rod?
When you say halloumi, that's a kind of cheese which is...
It's a cheese that originated in Cyprus. So originally made from goat's milk or sheep's milk, but now we can use cow's milk to create it. And it is a cheese that we make it at a higher temperature point, and we then can use it and we can actually fry it. So it's a protein that can be used by vegetarians. So yes, one of the popular things is a halloumi burger. So instead of having meat, we can cook the halloumi. So yeah, it's a very versatile cheese that holds its shape when it's fried.
Okay. So from the fresh milk, from the cow's milk, what's the next process after the farmer delivered his milk here?
Okay,
what do we do?
Right behind you there is our pasteurizer. So we're doing a test run today. We've just had it installed. So we're just testing to make sure it's working. We don't have any milk in it. We just have water today. But the milk will come in, we'll receive the milk, we'll test the milk. It will then go into the pasteurizer and be pasteurized to 63 degrees. We do a slow, long pasteurization. And then from there, we can use the milk once it's cooled down to the temperature we require for the particular cheese. We can start the cheese making process.
So the next, after pasteurizing?
After pasteurizing, then depending what we're making, if with the cream cheese, we put it into a vat, and when it's at the correct temperature, we add culture, which is bacteria, that will give it a certain flavour. And we also add rennet, which is a gelling agent. So the rennet comes from plants, so it's a vegetarian rennet that we use. And we add that, and then we just let it sit overnight. So very slowly, it develops a curd, which is a gel. So, and today, if you want to come and have a look, today we have put the curd, because it's quite liquidy. So today we have put the curd in here, and we're letting the whey, which is the water component here, drain out of the curd. So by this afternoon, this will be ready to have a little bit of salt mixed in it, and we're going to try put in some moringa with some of it.
Moringa.
Yes, and just trying some different ways of serving this cream cheese. Yeah. So it could be used in a cheesecake.
Yeah.
It could be used as a cheese on a cheese board. It could be used in pasta. It's a number of uses, but it's very creamy. When we took the curd out, there was maybe this much cream on the top. So the milk is really a very good quality milk that we found. So I was surprised at how much cream there was. So the farmers are doing a great job.
So very good quality milk.
Yes, yeah. So
We're lucky because Christina here, her cheese has been used already in Siargao by top chef there. And it's also timely because November 19 to 23, we'll have a lot of chefs coming in from all over the world, and also the member of the slow food movement. So they'll be able to try and taste Christina made the cheese here. No?
Yeah.
So this will bring Philippines and Bacolod in the roadmap of cheese making.
Yeah.
Thanks to. By the way, I would like to introduce Joanne Cachuela. She's our food tech expert. No? She's the one assisting Christina here in making our cheese. There is going to be a transfer of technology from Christina. I'm really glad that Christina is sharing all her knowledge to us. No? And
Ma'am, basically, cheese, when we go to the grocery, cheddar, mozzarella, those are just commercial cheese, but no real cheese.
Actually, yung mas general na ginagamit is yung mga filled cheese.
Filled
which is,
cheese.
Hindi talaga siya cheese. Yung mga, I don't want to name brands, pero it's called filled or processed cheese.
Okay.
So this is yung high-end na
cheese.
real cheese.
So that the farmers will get the best price you could buy really high from them. So that
Makita nyo naman siya sa ingredients din. Pag real cheese, usually just be your milk, your rennet, and some culture.
Bacteria.
Because kung mas konting ingredients, it's more pure.
Okay.
Yes, so this halloumi cheese, I don't know of anyone else in the Philippines that's making this. So I was making cheese in Mindanao before coming to Bacolod. So we had a client in Cebu that had an Arabic type restaurant that would order this halloumi because he couldn't get it anywhere else. Yeah, so
we're
it's
going
quite
to have a Louis Vuitton of cheese here.
That's right.
High-end.
Or even Birkins.
And the thing is that sustainability too. So we've used the cow's milk. When we had finished creating the curd, we were left with the whey.
Yeah.
So we used the whey to poach the cheese. But then yesterday we had some extra whey left over that we didn't need. And so we added a little bit of vinegar and we made ricotta. So from the milk that we used, we have 2 cheeses that we have been able to create. We've got the halloumi, we've got ricotta, and then with the whey that was left after that, it's very good for the garden. So maize garden, got some fertilizer of the whey. So completely sustainable, nothing wasted. Yeah.
So this is the cream cheese.
This is the ricotta.
Ricotta.
Yes. Remember, I had the saucepan there,
Yeah.
and I put the vinegar in,
Yeah.
and then the way we had left over from making the halloumi,
Okay.
and so to get every bit of protein out, we added the vinegar, and that makes the ricotta. So a little bit of honey.
The honey makes it
It's
perfect for.
yeah, just a little different taste.
Okay.
But there you go. Bon appetit.
Wow. Yeah.
It's just mild and creamy.
So if you were using this, you could have it on. In Australia, we have it on banana bread. We make it like a cake, sort of banana.
Yeah.
Toast it, then put the ricotta on, and the honey. Very delicious. You could use it in pasta making. So this is our halloumi. This is what we were poaching.
Earlier.
Poaching it in the saucepan. So take out one piece. Normally we would have this fried.
Looks like tofu.
It does look like tofu, yes, yeah. So here we are. I'd like to have a
So I can try
taste.
it already?
Yes, yeah. So this is ready now. So what we will do is we package this, vacuum seal it, and then yeah.
So this is real cheese.
Yes, yes. So this is a cheese. It's used. You can store it for a little while, but this is a cheese that you would eat straight away. Yeah. And like I said, it will be cooked. So just fried. Yeah. You would have noticed when you chew on it, it squeaks.
Yeah.
So we call it squeaky cheese.
Squeaky cheese.
Yeah.
But you can either fry it or what else is the use of this one?
So basically this one here, it's a way of having protein. So fry it. At home I use this and I have it on a salad. People make a burger.
Burger.
So instead of the meat, you have a slice of halloumi. So a vegetarian burger.
Okay, so it's a substitute for the meat.
Yes, yeah.
That's nice.
You looked at it before, you can see how much whey has.
This is like cloth.
Yes, so this is like a pillowcase.
Okay.
For a pillow, so because we're making volumes, the little tiny bag's too small, so this we just use a pillowcase. It's a good size for this. So we've got our cream cheese here. You can see it's very different to when you took the photo before. So what we do with this now is we'll transfer it into a bowl, add a little bit of salt, and then pack it and it's ready to be used.
These are French cheese. French way of preparing cheese.
Yeah, so halloumi isn't. Halloumi's Greek.
Yeah, Greek.
Greek, so Cyprus. Cream cheese, yes, it would have been developed in France, but universal.
Yeah, universal.
Buy it in SM
Everywhere. Yes, I know.
Yes, so it's a good base for. I mean, you can eat it like this.
Yeah.
You can mix it. We're going to try some mixed with some herbs, so it becomes like a dip. Do you
Dip,
know,
yeah.
like
We
a
have it
dip. You could put it in a cheesecake. You could shape it into a ball or a log. Cover it with we've got some kili nuts there. We're going to chop those up and put some kili nuts on the outside. So same thing, you could use it in pasta, you could use it as a base for a sauce that you put on a steak. So they're very versatile.
Okay.
Yeah. So take a spoon and have a dip. Now this hasn't got any salt in it, so might just taste a little bit sour.
This is sour without salt. Yeah.
Sorry.
Sorry.
So if we wanted to make it sweet, we can
Yeah, we're gonna add something else, no?
we can add sugar to it, we can add berries.
Yeah.
It's creamy and sour.
Yeah.
The milk as well is good quality.
Yeah, great quality, very creamy.
Very creamy. Just perfect for this one.
Yes, in fact, when I looked at this, I thought maybe next time we will skim it a little bit. So take some of the cream out, and use that to make some butter or just have it as cream.
Okay. Good. Thank you.